What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I think I have found the perfect case for my iPhone 11. iPhone 11 Pro Max, larger size here, latest and greatest. And, you know, of all the cases I've tried, I've really loved the soft, supple feel of leather on my naked skin. And Mujjo makes some of the best cases I've ever seen. So I picked this up. It's for the iPhone 11 Max full leather case. And what you can see here is it's in kind of this gorgeous khaki tan camel saddle orange baseball glove. I'm not even really sure what you might call it, but it's the color that they make available. You can see beautiful packaging here, and I'm going to go ahead and just pull this out. And lovely, just simple. And yep, this one too smells like a leather store. It smells like rich shoe leather or something. Man, it's just great. You can see a little beveled edge. They've kind of painted or burnished the edge there, so you get a really nice finish. Just look at the beautiful even uniform coloring, staining of the leather. We've got molded in buttons here, open on the bottom. You can see we have leather wraps all the way around the molded case, but then we have a color matched, which is almost unnecessary, microfiber inside, so that you don't have to worry about it scratching anything. But if I go ahead and just see if we can throw this sucker in here. There we go. Just like that. I can hit that switch there. Look at those molded in buttons. They're easy to find. I can hit them. Oh, look at that. You can see that it was working. And then power button on this side. No problems. That works great. You can get to everything. Speakers, microphones, ports on the bottom. But just look at that. That is gorgeous. It's almost like looking in the mirror. You're one good looking guy. Just beautiful. Feels absolutely phenomenal in my hand, and just looks like a quality piece. Goes with my smoking jacket. I feel like I should bust out a cigar right now. So if you want to pick up a leather case that looks great, smells great, feels great, the Mujjo products are, like I said, absolutely top tier. I will put a link to this one in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.